All right, we're at 124 Stoneleigh. We're probably 100 and some feet outside. We're at the main where we're hitting something that looks like there's the inverse of the pipe. Something's going on. They've been having like clogs, slower drains in this lower toilet. It's been a continuing issue. So I am going to show you. I went from the clean out and could not push my camera through the clean out towards the main because I kept hitting terracotta. I'm running some water now to help me push. I want to show you where the problem is, at least one problem that I see that is on the county side of the clean out. It's 4/18 on June 11th, 2020. Waiting for water flow to get down and help me push a little bit. Very good. Can you give me a toilet flush, please? So it seems like toilet paper is coming back at us now as we hit. There you go. There's the problem. There's where I cannot push past smoothly. Let me shut that water off. Hey, sir. That's good. I want to show you something. So, one problem we have right now.
Oh, it's on there.
So
That was me.
it was off. It was off. So here's another little issue right there, just at the clean out. I'm going to go locate this.